Hey everyone, before we start the video, I want to show you guys something. You guys need some swag, man. Let me know. Look, bam, still got the swag, keychains, key tags, stickers, bottle openers, hats, the GP hat, shirts, wrench time equals seat time. Guys, hit the website up, gooseperformance.com, get your swag. All right, let's get back to the video. What is up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. I know, y'all already know, by the title of this video, y'all guessed it, cause look. Yeah, buddy, y'all already know. We've been waiting on this guy. I appreciate you, Clint, and the shop over at The Shop LLC, guys. They hooked us up. They came through big time. Clint over there, hopefully we got something figured out that we can use for this project for our package tray, because I don't know if I told you guys this, but if you guys been watching the channel, I have a tiger cage that's going in that thing. Part of the Ride Tech tiger cage comes from here and it goes back to the back and it drops down in the package tray. So I hope that this thing will work for what we're doing. If not, we might have to modify it. If not, we might not even use it. So let's open this thing up. Let's see what we got. We might even have to get some upholstery to wrap this thing up. So let's just get it open. Let's see what it looks like. I'm excited. Damn, y'all, that looks good. That's gonna look really good. That looks sexy. Look, he also sent us this. This looks like it's actually the cloth for like the speaker. So this will actually go here, all the way around here, and then you'll cover up this center section with that mesh. But man, that looks so good. We are definitely probably, I don't know, maybe we paint it. We could paint it or wrap it. We might, I don't know. Let's go ahead and mock it up real quick, see what it looks like, and then we'll go from there. See if our actual roll cage is gonna work too. That was the biggest thing. Well, I kind of got it in place. We're gonna have to take these door panels off. These door panels are gonna have to come off in order for that thing to drop and sit flush. But I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little nervous. I'm already can see where those holes are gonna line up, and I don't think it's gonna work for us. Man, that's a bummer. The way I wanted it to sit super flush on that side and have this thing come over, but we'll see. Let me get these door panels off. We'll get the door panels off and then kind of let it sit flush and see what it looks like. Got the roll cage kind of mocked up in here. And this was the issue that I was gonna probably have. I knew it was kind of inevitable. It was gonna happen. But if you look where this tray splits off for the speaker grill, right there, that seam, we're basically gonna have to be on top of the seam, because the bolts are about right there on top of the seam, right in the middle of the seam. So, and then this one right here really worries me because it's almost like in the seam of the two. I'm gonna have to drill a hole here in all four corners, and it's just gonna be, I don't know if I'm gonna like the look of it. Like, it's just not gonna look super clean like I like stuff to look, I guess, like it's meant to be there. But I mean, at this point, I'm not sure, unless I just go with the normal package tray, you know, without all this stuff and everything, and just like basically the original cardboard style stuff, or have something completely custom built. But this is a track car. I mean, you know, it's not a show car. So I might just drill these out real quick and then see what it looks like, see if I like it, and then obviously put the mesh here for the speaker grill and then roll with it, I guess. So I guess I'm gonna start drilling. All right, y'all, I got this thing kind of mocked up in here. You guys can see I went ahead and put both of the bars up here just to kind of get a little bit more of an accurate measure. Now I've already drilled out the holes on the package tray, and I just ran a couple bolts. You guys can see the lighting's kind of crap in here. Forgive me about the lighting, y'all, but ran a couple bolts in there just so we knew where it's gonna kind of land. These are super long, just so that way it was easier to run them through there. But now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna mark this area all the way around. Now I called Clint over at the shop. He gave me this idea. He said go ahead and cut out that whole section there. That way it sits flush and it's not sitting on top of this thing. So that way this will sit flush. So let me mark this up real quick and then we'll cut it up and see what it looks like. Yeah, you hear that? Yeah, I like this. I like how that thing starts up too. Look. Oh yeah, those pops though. Still stock, by the way. We still got to get some mods to it, so stay tuned for that. Definitely gonna get some mods for the Camaro. But we are on our way to the upholstery shop because we got to go get a piece of this to finish that thing up. I thought I had enough, but we're not. We do not. So we got to head to the upholstery shop real quick and get some of that. I'll see you guys in a bit. Gotta look back. The old upholstery shop, guys. Santa Barbara Upholstery. I don't know if they'll let me film in here, guys, so bear with me. Didn't really want to do too much filming in there because he's pretty old school in there, man. You know, I don't want to make him mad or anything, but I don't know if we gonna fit this. Ooh, that ain't gonna work, y'all. What y'all think? Nope. Son of a gun. All right, we gonna see if we put this in the front seat. I love that underneath the bridge stuff, boy. I will say this. Driving a stick and trying to do this, man, is ridiculous. It's damn near impossible. Can't even do it. Can't even change gears for y'all. All right, we'll see you guys back at the house. Back at the house, got everything laid out. Went ahead and pre-cut our fabric out a little bit, so that way we got it all laid out. Got some few tools here, a couple rollers, a little squeegee. Got our glue. Went ahead and put some paper down so we don't get no glue all over the floor. But we're gonna go ahead and get started. I'll turn this thing over. We'll apply glue. We're gonna apply glue, I should say, on both sides. First, we'll apply the glue on the material, the fabric. We'll flip it over, spray that down, and then we'll spray this entire package tray down. So let's get to it. So what I went ahead and did is I already kind of started. I went ahead and just threw a bunch of staples on one side, and then I'll get this side, tighten it up and overlap it and just stretch the material. That way it's nice and tight and it looks super snug, and then we'll cut anything that's hanging over or anything like that we might have too material in certain spots, and then we might have to do some stress relief cuts on the corners. Other than that, that's it. Nothing really to it. No glue. Do not use glue on this particular mesh for the speakers. Pero clean, eh? What y'all think though? Not too shabby, huh? Not too shabby for a non-upholstery dude. Looking good, y'all. Looking real good. Got the mesh on there, sitting in there. So all we got to do left is actually throw this in the car, and then also mount the speakers, get the speakers mocked up. But let's go ahead and throw this in the car. Let's do it. All right, y'all, it got kind of late a little bit, but went ahead and threw it in there. What y'all think? Looks really good, I think. Went ahead and just laid it in there real quick. Got it just laid in there, but I want to show you guys the speaker side of it. It's probably my favorite thing about this whole kit is that it comes with these mounting, I guess you can call them mounting brackets, mounting holders, whatever you want to call it, but depending on the speaker setup, you can order them. I got them for 6x9, so mounted my 6x9 in there, and then mine has these little, almost like a little crossover deal here with the built-in tweeter. That's what these wires are for. But got it everything mounted up, and then you literally, the studs that hang off, you guys can see if I can get the lighting up there, but those studs that come off that top mesh center section, that grill, you just run through there and then you just put nuts on them, and that's it. And it's that easy to mount your speakers. I really like that. I think it's pretty neat. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw these on real quick and see what it looks like, and then I'll try to get that roll cage in there as well. Oh my God. Damn, Gina. That was a pain in the ass, y'all. Oh boy. Damn, that sucks. Woo, got your boy sweating here. Hot in here. What y'all think though? Looking good. We still got the rest of the cage to put in, but we ain't gonna do it in this video. Woo! Was that Rona? Oh, that was the Rona right there. Careful, y'all. Bam, though. Looks good, y'all. We still got to bolt down. Still got to bolt down the back side right here. But we're going to have to go to the trunk to do that, along with another piece that's on the side here. But we ain't going to do that today. Let me show you. Let me take a little step back. See what it looks like. We had to wait the other day. Or last night, I should say. Remember when we were working last night a little bit? Had to wait till it got a little bright out because can't see nothing. Oh boy. I can. Let me get that light for y'all. Yeah, not bad, huh? I really like how that came out though. That cut worked real good right there. What y'all think? Not bad, huh? Yes, sir. Well, guys, that's the package tray from The Shop LLC. Big special thanks to Clint again for coming through with that piece for us. Gave us the idea, and they got some really nice products up there, guys. Check them out. I'll put the website down in the description below, and hit the subscribe button if you have not. If you guys are new to the channel, hit the bell for notifications every time we got a new video. We're gonna continue on with the Frankenstein. We're almost there, almost getting ready to hit the road with it a little bit, and then we'll work on something else. Stay tuned, stay wrenching.